Yeah. Hey, big stepper like Big Meat. I was taught to go and get it straight about the mother, little nigga. Murder, 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 keep my slugs, my nigga. I was taught to never show no love.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Flamma Tech. So, this video is about them signs, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's a gang sign, but I just caught it from this song of what's the nigga? A Boogie with a Hoodie. So this nigga did some signs, and I guess that gang sign, but I don't know, cause I'm not a street nigga. But from what I saw, I think that was a gang sign. So it just caught my eyes, and I had to teach myself how to do it. So I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be boom, 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 boom. That's all. It's a simple thing, you know what I'm saying?
Really, nigga?
So if y'all wanna do it, then watch my video, watch the whole thing. Then after watching, please like my video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So let's get it. Boom, 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 boom. So it's gonna be like boom first, then boom. After boom, then you're gonna be like boom, then boom, then boom. So it's gonna be like boom, 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 boom. So the first part, right. The second part, third part, fourth, and fifth. So it's boom, 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 boom. Simple. So yeah. Anyways, y'all, if you need more videos, you gotta comment. If you need more, I can show you more signs. So, but if I'm gonna tell you know what I do. Yeah.
Heart of a giant walking to the beat of my own drum. No, they hate hearing me.